Number 8 is another very, very popular term and a very popular choice for online business beginners, and that is affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote someone else's product. It's not your product, it was built by another entrepreneur or another company or business. You promote it, and every time someone buys it or installs it or subscribes to it through your promotion, usually in the form of a testimony and a URL link, every time someone clicks that link and then goes on to purchase this product you've promoted, you get paid a commission, and that is your affiliate referral fee. For example, if I were to talk about a book that I really like, I could, for example, in a blog or whatever, I'd talk about the book, explain why it's really good and explain why I think it would be great for you to read, and I would include a link to the book listed on Amazon, and I would sign up as an Amazon associate. And every time someone read my blog post about this book and clicked the link, went through to Amazon and purchased that book, I would get a referral fee for basically making that sale for Amazon. It's basically a commission. Very much like the modern day door-to-door salesman sort of thing, where they get paid a commission of the amount they earn through sales. You can get paid a commission on the amount you sell through your affiliate marketing links. What's great about this is it's incredibly passive. So you can set up a blog post on a website, whatever. If you've got traffic already, you can set that blog post up with a referral link, and that link is now going to be there for life until you delete it. And so if it's already receiving traffic, clicks and sales, it's likely going to continue receiving traffic, clicks and sales for life. Another great thing is you get to pick what you're an affiliate of. If you're interested in a certain niche, for example cycling or fishing, you could find cycling and fishing websites that have affiliate schemes, or sign up to Amazon Associates, which is probably the biggest affiliate scheme going right now. And you can promote cycling and fishing gear to your readers or to your friends or to whoever you are marketing it to. And it's a brilliant side hustle for people in full-time work or education because it doesn't require an upfront investment. It doesn't require a lot of time investment, but it does take a while to get traction. So if you don't have a current website or big social media pages or accounts like that, like I Love Fishing Facebook page or whatever, then it can take a while to get traction, to get followers, to get a readership, or to get an email list. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is once you are going and you've got it going, you've got your email list, you've got a good social media following, you've got a good website with good traffic, it is quite easy to drive these sales through to software, tools, books and courses, etc. that you've used in your own business that you would recommend to others. It's quite easy to drive sales and get these affiliate referral fees. However, affiliate marketing is a large space, and unfortunately there are a lot of questionable affiliate marketers and a lot of subpar products. If you go onto websites such as ClickBank and JVZoo, you'll find a lot of very bizarre products that affiliates are driving traffic to and are earning money from. And it is a very, very wide web in affiliate marketing. There are so many different things going on, and there are unfortunately a lot of shady people involved who generally will promote anything under the sun, regardless of whether they've used it or not, and regardless of whether they think it's a good product or not. So for me, and for you as well, I want you to keep this in mind. It's incredibly important that you truly believe in and have used and would genuinely recommend the product you're affiliated with and are promoting and are trying to sell. Not only will that keep you morally, like a decent human being, but it will also make it a lot easier for you to promote and sell, because if people can sense your, genuine belief and passion in a product, it's going to be far easier to sell. If you truly believe in it, it's going to be a lot easier to promote. Additionally, one final point with affiliate marketing is similar to the Amazon FBA, you're not dealing with any operations here in terms of customer service, returns, refund, FAQs, emails and things like that. You're not dealing with that. It's not your product. It's not your business. All you're doing is driving traffic and sales to it. So you don't have to deal with the operations that come with owning a software as a service business, authoring a book or anything like that. You don't have to deal with that, which is why it's such a good passive option.